are you? Hope you're well, right? Well, today we have $500 from we started from $100 to $500. If you missed these previous videos, please humble request to you, go back and watch this our previous videos, then watch this. After that you will understand what we are going to do. Before we started, we make our setup. Well done. Here we go. As you can see, the market is downtrend and we got a trade from down. Why I trade down? I said why I trade down and win $1. Well, here you go. Market coming down. Well, market are a little bit pushed down. No way, market are down, ups and down, ups and down. Market are ups. Ha, 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 ha. Market up. Yeah. Oh wait, why reback? As you can see, market from a long travels. Market actually, yeah, 20 la 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 la, yeah. Market, why actually this is happen? No problem, we have money, and as you can see, we never trade before $40. As you can see, right? With this such confidence, now we can see. Look at this. After $40 trades, we still have a winning, and there is no risk. What you can see about this? Yeah. Oh shit! Look, I trade here and market down this and no problem. Let's make a. Oh shit! Market perhaps it's going down. Yeah. Are you really? Yes. Exactly what I said. How many times you will lose, right? Every time I'll gonna be kicking us. No problem. No problem. No problem. Yeah, you can see we have still winning ratio. And our target today is 600, right? 500 to 600. Ha 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 ha, market is going up. Yeah, what is going down now? No, market is up just a little bit, sitting that. Okay, no problem. Down? No, market is actually going up. Oh, yeah, we win and we trade at $10. Trade, yeah. From this market shoot down. Well done. How did I lose? 1, 2, 3. Let's trade up $40. And as you can see from this, a little bit down, maybe show. Not showing? No problem. We have $90 to go up. market actually showing that they are not going to win. As you can see, we have a win ratio. Well, now each and every time just a little bit more down and trade off. Little bit down, yeah. Little bit down, little bit down, little bit down. Yeah. Yes, there is no way to. Okay, we actually reach our goals. I didn't saw it, and see, the last one, two, three, four, five. Sequentially 5 to do it. As you see, look at this. If we trade again and again, we'll win. So no more today. Till then, take care and bye bye.